How's it going, everybody? Henry here from Detroit Bikes, your master builder. Today, for this short video, I'm going to show you how to utilize the air pump that you receive in every bike. First thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the packaging. Secondly, in order to make the pump functional, you have to remove the hose from the top lever. Once that's done, feel free to locate the valve on your tire. Once located, remove the cap. Now, to put air in the bike is quite simple. Go ahead and take your nozzle, press firmly on the valve, and then pull the lever down. This engages the nozzle to the valve and allows you to add air to your tire. Once engaged, go ahead and pump it up. Now our tires recommend 50 to 85 PSI. You can use a gauge for that, or go ahead and use your fingers and squeeze. If there's any movement, you need to add more air. Once it's firm, you should be good to go.